around as the sun. I'm a swimming, guiding whale. I'm a starfish, I'm a clam, I'm a shooting star, that's what I am. I can be anything I want to be. Firefighter, skydiver, hip-hop dancer. I can be anything I want to be. I'm a starfish, I'm a clam, I'm a shooting star, that's what I am. I can be anything I want to be. Anything I want to be. Anything I want to be.
We have one more song. You ready?
Shake my hands, shake down low, shake up high, and away we go. Clap my hands, clap down low, clap up high, and away we go. Na 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 na. Stamp my feet, stamp down low, stamp up high, and away we go. Do the twist, twist down low, twist up high, and away we go. Na 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 na. 'Cause I am me and you are you, and I can be all that I dream to be. I am me and you are you, and I'm so glad to be me. Shake my hands, clap my hands, stomp my feet, do the twist. Shake my hands, clap my hands. I'm so glad to be me. Yes, I'm so glad to be me.
Sit down as we sit on our. Okay. Ethan's gonna be in preschool another year too. We're looking forward to having him another year. So here's your pre-graduation diploma. Okay, next we've got Skylar. Skylar, come here.
Perfect timing because that sick kid just sat in the way.
Stand up. Ready? So, Skylar's been here a few months, and he'll be here another year too. And what I learned about Skylar is that he absolutely loves his friends, and that's his favorite thing at school is being with other kids, and he really likes the goldfish song. So I'm going to let you hold that. Can you bring that to Mom?
Come here.
Can you bring it to Mom?
Right through.